Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about the topic that is cities creation. In this basically we are discussing about the University Oxford Group basically words. In this basically we are talking about the few people says that here sometimes basically fake earthquake data also basically comes, and few people says that no, that is not fake basically. Somebody group might have failed that data basically. Then one of the person told that, do you know basically in Vadodara city for example, this area basically sometimes gets earthquake, few area basically not gets earthquake. Yeah, basically that concept basically might have created basically. So like this basically comes to the University of Oxford basically. So Oxford University says that basically we have created up to that level basically. In Vadodara city, entire Vadodara city will not fell earthquake basically. Few area only basically is going to fell earthquake. So up to that basically stuff basically the Oxford group basically are telling that they have done basically. So see basically the combination C basically. See the combination. 12,000, 3,50,000 building, 12,000 projects. Then this many words between the team, communication words, employees, power supply data, 13,000 binary data, 6 crore human blood cells, 22 blood cells groups basically. So just see the data basically. So this is 100% going to generate energy basically, and this will be one of the person told that immediately earthquake basically can happen. For example, few sound basically is happening then basically. No, from sound. For sound means, for example, this whole combination are going to generate some data in environment basically, right? Then he told that yes basically. That is going to connect to the earthquake. Then he told that no basically, because nowadays the password and user ID protection basically are given, so it will not connect to the earthquake. Previously it was basically connecting to the earthquake, but nowadays basically password and user ID protection are given. So see, up to this level security basically is given, so the earthquake basically will not happen due to this energy basically which is going to generate in the environment basically. This is 100% going to generate in the environment, right? Basically whenever the communication is happening, the buildings basically each and every window basically might be open, or basically the AC basically might be open. But one day basically they are going to open the office na basically. So from that basically the energy will get circulates in the environment. That time basically the password system is there basically in the building stable unstable data basically. So due to that basically the earthquake will not happen basically. Earthquake is not going to happen. So just see basically the combination basically of the word combination. This combination basically. This combination basically. 3 lakh combination, 5 crore combination basically. In 5 crore combination, Oxford Group's combination C basically. So these all basically combinations are there. So like this combination basically is there basically. So one of the person told that basically, see basically one more thing basically I just connected. 5 crore UP people basically are staying in Mumbai. Assume basically that 5 crore Madhya Pradesh people, sorry, 5 crore, this many is the population basically. From this, assume that basically 1 lakh people basically are Uttar Pradesh people basically staying in Mumbai. 5 crore, 5 lakh Madhya Pradesh people basically are staying. 5 lakh Bihari people basically are staying. And more than 3 crore Marathis basically are staying in the Mumbai city. And few basically 5 to 6 lakh basically Gujaratis are staying. 5 to 6 lakh basically Malayalis are basically staying. In really basically the number is too much basically. Here basically I'm just taking as an example. So from this combination, assume that basically this basically here anything is going to affect basically this employee basically this many projects, uh, this many employees, this all employees, and the power supply data basically which is going to pass, this power supply data basically which is going to pass, and the 22 blood cells group basically. I don't think any error basically might be found. And few people says that basically this might basically connect to the error also basically. So currently basically one of the person told that basically uh, it might connect to the error also basically in the building basically, not basically in the environment, because entire building is basically covered with the air conditions. So that is not going to generate to the any of the error basically. It's not going to connect to the any of the environment basically. Mostly basically entire building basically is going to connect to the energy basically. That is here one of the person told that basically we will do one thing, we will take one combination, as in that basically this 20 lakh employee basically, in this basically few are Marathis, few are Gujaratis, few are this that basically the discussion is ongoing basically, right? They know the Malayali basically knows Malayali, Maharashtrian person basically know Maharashtrian, and Uttar Pradesh people basically know Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh people basically know Madhya Pradesh language, Bihari basically know Biharis. They are communicating in English basically. Anything is going to happen. Then one of the person told that basically most probably that depends upon this group basically, how they have designed the English language basically. And these people we say that basically we have basically got the word basically from set of group basically, the rest of thing basically is connected by the Sanskrit department. So you asked Sanskrit, which are basically in the Karnataka group basically, which basically are in the Karnataka group basically. They are basically they will be responsible basically if anything is going to happen basically, because English word is also basically created by this Sanskrit group only basically. So literally they escaped each and everything to the Sanskrit group basically. And few people says that basically few English words basically are created by the Tamil language also basically. So which language, which words are created by who basically, that basically has to be clear basically. So one of the person told that basically yes here basically. Then one of the person told that where is this Karnataka yeah basically. Then one of the person told that just a minute, I will just let you know where actually the Karnataka is. In video basically that would be good basically. Just a minute. Karnataka, Bengaluru. See basically. Karnataka, Bengaluru. This is the Bengaluru, Karnataka. This city.
There's something really magical about the open road. To explore a place you've never been before. The mystery of what life.
हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपको एक नए वीडियो में। आज हम लोग एक्सप्लोर करेंगे बेंगलुरु शहर को। बेंगलुरु जिसका ऑफिशियली नाम है बेंगलुरु। Bangalore becomes one of the most important cities in the country. It has come under almost everyone's radar. But how much do you really know about this city? तो चलिए एक्सप्लोर करते हैं इंडिया की सिलिकॉन वैली हब बेंगलुरु शहर को और जानते हैं इस शहर के बारे में कुछ अमेजिंग इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट्स। लेकिन उससे पहले चैनल पे अगर आप नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को दबा दें ताकि आने वाले लेटेस्ट अपडेट आपको मिलते रहे। शहर इंडिया कहा जाता है, लेकिन दिल्ली और मुंबई जैसे
See, this is the Bangalore city.
एकड़ जमीन के अंदर फैला हुआ है।
See,
इंडिया के
this
नोबेल
is the
प्राइज के
actually
लिए सबसे
Bangalore city.
ज्यादा
Right? So this was about the Bangalore city, which is connected with the USA country also basically. Next video basically we are going to see.